Hello everyone, it's Miguel. But anyway, I'm gonna be short and brief. I'll try to be anyway. So right now I'm sitting in my living room, and there was something that I have at heart that I had needed to share with you guys because I think it's stupid. You know the story about that parrot that got deported from Montreal Zoo because that parrot was only talking in English. Okay, so if you don't know this story, let me explain to you. So there was this parrot in Montreal Zoo, doing his job, talking and stuff like that, and inspectors came over and realized that the parrot only was speaking in English. So what they try to do is they were a little bit concerned for the parrot, and they say, let's give him some immersion training, French immersion training, and hopefully that parrot's gonna understand that over here we only speak French. But anyway, it failed. So they failed that parrot to be talking in French. They made that parrot watch Star Academy, and they made that parrot watch some videos, I guess, about Lucien Bouchard, and that parrot still failed to talk in French. So after mainly discussions about this case, this really serious case, they finally deported um, this poor parrot to Toronto Zoo. So now my question is, how stupid are we? Seriously. So there's a parrot speaking English in Quebec. Oh my God, all hell breaks loose. It's a bird. It's an animal. It's not a human being, and he's not being paid from doing his job. He's gladly socializing with people, but hey, he was only speaking in English, poor bastard. They deport this parrot to Toronto. So how stupid are we to say, you know what? I'm French. I'm from Quebec. I'm happy to be speaking French, but at the same time, I'm glad that I know a second language. And this parrot, an animal, a pet, or whatever, a trained circus animal, cannot speak French. Are we going to give him shit? He broke the rule of the Chart of Rights to speak French. Seriously. Are you kidding me? It's a parrot. It's a parrot. It's a bird. A poor little bird that just needs some attention, a little bit of food, a little bit of love. Just, talk to him a little bit. He's going to be happy. No, well, no, we did a big case. We spent a lot of money by doing an investigation and say, oh my God, this bird is not all right. We have to deport it. So let's spend some money from our own pocket and let's give him a free trip to Toronto, just because this bird is not satisfying. Satisfying. I cannot speak right now, but it cannot meet the requirements. They cannot meet the requirements for staying in Quebec. So anyway, my point is, where are we going? Are we going to be, are we going to be like what, those dictators in Quebec saying like, you need to do this, you need to do that? Is it by like bringing our Canada flag down from the Parliament in Quebec that we're going to get somewhere? I'm just saying, we need to be realistic. And you know what? It's not my right to be talking about politics, and I don't want to be talking politics. I just am talking about common sense. Let's be honest. It's stupid. It's a stupid move to move a bird because he's only talking in English. From my point of view, this is BS. But anyway, I would like to know what you think. What do you think about that parrot? What do you think about all of this? What do you think about those like brilliant inspectors that made their decisions, whoever decided to deport that parrot? But anyway, again, I'm happy to speak French. I'm happy to be coming from Quebec. But right now, when I see things like this, it upsets me. It upsets me that people are stupid like this. But anyway, this is my point of view. Some of you may be offended by what I said. I don't care. Because you know what? You have to be open-minded and see what I'm trying to say here. And I love all of you guys that are from Quebec. I'm not saying anything against people from Quebec. What I'm saying is a poor parrot is being deported to Toronto Zoo because he only speaks a couple of words in English. You know? But anyway, that was my little thought of the day. And hopefully I'm going to get a lot of comments. I want to have this debate going on because you know what? Like, we need to do something about this. Like, you know what? We need to put a hold on stupidity. So let's do this once and for all. That was Miguel with my little story. Hopefully that was entertaining to you. And you have yourself a wonderful evening because it's evening over here and I'm enjoying myself. You do the same. Take care, guys. Bye.